Hey there, awesome kids! Get ready for an exciting game called Can You Guess What I Am? I'm going to show you a letter, and that letter is the first letter of the mystery animal's name. Then we will show the animal's silhouette and listen carefully as we play the sound the animal makes. Can you figure out what animal it is? Let's jump right in. Can you guess what I am? I'm a playful animal on the farm. I start with the letter P. With a curly tail and a snout, I like to roll about. Look at my silhouette. Now listen to my sound. That's right, I'm a pig, oinking happily all around. Can you guess what I am? I'm a sturdy and braying friend on the farm. I start with the letter D. With big ears and a mane, I help carry loads and roam the terrain. Look at my silhouette. Now, listen to my sound. That's right, I'm a donkey, braying playfully all around. Can you guess what I am? I'm a proud and festive friend on the farm. I start with the letter T. With colorful feathers and a waddle, I strut around and gobble. Look at my silhouette. Now, listen to my sound. That's right, I'm a turkey, gobbling merrily all around. Can you guess what I am? I'm a playful and sure-footed animal on the farm. I start with the letter G. With pointy horns and a beard, I love to climb and leap without fear. Look at my silhouette. Now, listen to my sound. That's right, I'm a goat, bleating merrily all around. Can you guess who I am? I'm a fluffy and gentle friend from the farm. My name starts with the letter S. My soft wool can be turned into a cozy jumper for you to wear. Look at my silhouette. Now, listen closely to my sound. That's right, I'm a sheep, fluffy and soft all around. Can you guess what I am? I'm a gentle and friendly animal on the farm. I start with the letter C. With big, soulful eyes and spots or patches on my hide, I provide delicious milk to drink. Look at my silhouette. Now, listen to my sound. That's right, I'm a cow mooing softly all around. Can you guess what I am? I'm a strong and majestic animal on the farm. I start with the letter H. With a long mane and a flowing tail, you ride me on a saddle. Look at my silhouette. Now, listen to my sound. That's right, I'm a horse, trotting gracefully all around. Can you guess what I am? I'm a charming animal on the farm. I start with the letter C. With soft feathers all around, I lay eggs on the ground. Look at my silhouette. Now listen to my sound. That's right, I'm a chicken, clucking proudly all around.
A free cupcake for anyone that watches another video. Please subscribe and press that like button.